Hello young scientists, welcome to this session. This is the only authentic official video published by the Greater Bombay Science Teachers Association for students like you. You will get first-hand information about how you become the winner of prestigious Dr. Homi Bhabha Bal Vaidyanik Spardha. What you need to keep in mind while facing the general interview. Do's and don'ts of each step of action research project, from selection of the topic to execution, report writing and interview round. And even explanation for this year's topic with examples. So be alert. Let's begin with understanding how a medal winner is selected. Remember, it is per standard, per medium, per region. For example, 6th English Mumbai or 9th Marathi Vidarbha. For each region, medium and standard, from level 1, 7.5% students are selected for the next round. And out of these, first 10% are selected through practical round. All those who are selected through practical round are sure to bag glittering medal of Dr. Homi Bhabha Bal Vaidyanik Spardha, provided they appear for both interviews and of course have prepared action research project. Selection of medal winners is on the basis of marks scored in all 4 rounds and out of 120. You just understand that you will get an edge if you are doing project work wholeheartedly. There are trophies for the schools for maximum medal winners and maximum participation. Let's now understand a few points about general interview round. You will be given time slot for this round. Reach at least 15 minutes before. It will be good for you. Do not carry any certificates of earlier achievements. We are sure that you are bright kids, but there is a chance that these valuables may get misplaced. Wear comfortable clothes. No uniform. No overdressing either. You may have to wait for some time. Be cool. Don't forget to carry water bottle and some snacks. Of course, if it is online this year, you need not travel and will be appearing from home, playing from home ground. Remember, though it takes around 5 minutes for each student, it is not a thumb rule and not an index of marks too. Some students take time to open up and some don't. This is a round to see presence of mind and scientific temper. Be true to yourself. Don't give ideal answers. You may love singing and so you are free to mention if asked. There is no compulsion that you have hobby related to science. It would be better if you have interest in understanding science involved in your hobby.
Now let's come to action research. Citizens today need to be eco-sensitive, and this is why this round. To create awareness and action with respect to immediate environment of young scientists. Through these students, MSTA is trying to take message to these families too. So, themes are related to environment. Each year a new one. Where to find the information? We have different sources. Official authentic handbook of the year published by Menaka Prakashan, Pune. Our website www.msta.in, or during offline practicals the pamphlet is given to all students. Remember, this explanation is available on our website. It is always good that you do your project on your own and you will be the best. The topic you select should be within your reach. Start now. You will need to make handwritten project report which is going to take time. So better be an early bird. Your idea should be clear and you should be convinced about it. You may discuss feasibility of your idea with elders in the family or around you. Based on your hypothesis and objectives, way you execute your project will be decided. Best way to go ahead systematically is to maintain a project book wherein you will have a checklist with dates and your project plan. All the details you need to note down which will be useful at every step. Several points are mentioned here. You may modify as per your need. Testing more samples is better while conducting experiments so that chances of repetitive results can be established. See to it that the remedial measures you are going to suggest are doable at local level, are within reach of layman's capacity and are not expensive either. Let's come to report writing. Here are certain do's and don'ts. You may just stitch the sheets together or stick them. Give a try to bookbinding, and who knows, you make notebooks out of unused pages for next academic year. See this slide. These are important points you must focus on. What you do is important and not the look. Do it yourself, which will impress more than ready-made stuff. Most frequently asked question is number of pages. It will go to maximum 25 pages when you follow the instructions. Do not add survey sheets to your project report. Front page need not be artistic, but do not forget to mention all required details given over here. Take care that your identity is not disclosed. Title of your project should not be poetic or a puzzle to be solved. It should be clear, like Study of Effect of Fertilizer on Growth of Plant, and not DIY for Garden. Also understand that problem is a terminology used in scientific research. It is nothing but topic selected for study and need not be study of harmful effect of substances, etc. You need to add a certificate issued by your school principal authenticating that you have done the work and are a student of a particular standard. Acknowledgement is expression of your gratitude for those who have helped you through the research process. Abstract is an essence of your work, like a précis of what you have mentioned in pages coming further. Include everything in minimum words. Introduction should be maximum 2 pages, wherein you mention previous work done on the topic, any relevant information, and most importantly, why you have selected the topic, how you are planning to go about. Need statement and objectives should be without any introductory or concluding paragraphs. Just write clear statements on separate pages. Your hypothesis shows whether you have clear idea about what you are planning to do. This again should be only a statement. Just ponder upon what is mentioned here before you state your hypothesis. You may write it before you start your work. This will give you clarity about work you are planning to do. It is essential that you give all details of materials and methods which can be referred to. Also remember, survey is not an essential step. If you are planning to conduct survey, do read about how one should go about doing it, what is the ideal use, and a tool for our research. While evaluating your project, your observations will be examined. Take care that you give correct information in terms of units, etc. Let it be self-explanatory. Do not hesitate to mention about failures or problems you faced and how you could overcome those. Analysis is our understanding about why of our observations and our speculations about how best we can use this information in future. Conclusions are again clear statements based on our observations and analysis. As mentioned earlier, plan for working at local level or local situations as per your capacity and available cooperation and help. Mention about the study material you used in alphabetical order so that it can be referred to by someone who wishes to study similar problems.